guys, it's Angela, and over the last few days, it has been made clear to me that Trump supporters, we just don't get it. We don't understand what these people are going through right now. And that is why I bring to you a POV, which stands for point of view. And this has become a trend on social media so that people can immerse themselves in the life of somebody else to better understand them. As we watch more woke freakouts, it's important to start with this POV so we get into the right mindset of election freakout emotion. Apparently, that's an emotion. There's 6 basic emotions: happiness, sadness, disgust, blah, 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 and election freakout emotion. And that is the strongest emotion of them all. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's find out what it really means. First of all, POV. You have a septum piercing. I believe that that is what that is called.
Y'all, it is 6:51 in the fucking morning, and I am crying. Oh my God, what are we gonna do, America? What the fuck are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Maybe continue on with our lives? I literally had this conversation. If Kamala Harris got elected, that all I could do was just continue on with my life. Because what else are you going to do?
All right, I gotta go make some money.
Okay, so there you have it. She is going to move on with her life. That is wonderful.
Supporting you. Are Trump supporters?
Okay, so this lady is confused as to why Trump supporters are getting mad. Are you mad? You mad, bro? Because I'm not mad. I didn't know that I was upset. But thank you for informing me on my emotions.
Why are Trump supporters getting mad when we say we hope they get everything they voted for?
Oh, when? Only when. We only get mad when they say that they hope we get everything that we voted for, like a safe border, a prosperous economy, those kinds of things.
I'm supporting you.
Thank you. I don't really understand what was the point of this video. She's saying that we hope we get everything we voted for. So do we. And I appreciate your encouragement, if that's what that was.
I don't want everyone crying or anything, but he won the Electoral College, he won the popular vote, and he won every swing state. If you think that everyone is delusional except for you, I think you might need to go to a doctor or something. I think maybe...
She said it. She said it best. Lady, in the first video, this woman was directly communicating with you. This woman here, nope, not that one. This one said that you need to get your brain checked. She said it. I didn't say it. I didn't say it this time, but I have said it in the past. Okay, let's see what's going on here.
I'm not gonna lie, every time I see a Trump 2024 sign, I want to vandalize. I want to vandalize it. I want to get rid of it. I want to stomp it out. I want to beat the fuck out of it. Like, every time I see it.
I think that this person also should refer to the previous video.
But I'm a nice American citizen. They're going right now.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Just when I thought that he was... Wow, that was quite the twist at the end. I wasn't expecting that. Here's a person who is basically going to call us dumb. So that's going to be nice.
So let's get one thing straight and two things gay. I was tracking the election my whole night shift, and there was a girl next to me, she wasn't the only one by the way, that said, well, I just don't know anything about politics, so I just voted for Trump. I just looked at her and said, well, you know, Trump himself has bragged about the fact that he polls very well with the poorly educated. So I guess that tracks.
Wow. Calling everybody, majority of the population, incompetent. Okay, Mark Cuban. Okay, Mark Cuban. I see you have some Mark Cuban inspiration here. Geez, so sassy. Apparently, this is how Europeans reacted, or just this lady who wants us to think all Europeans reacted this way when they saw the US election. How could it not be clear who the best candidate was? As if Kamala Harris, in all of her insanity, was the best candidate. I guess the Europeans also getting involved in the woke freak out trend. Then we have people just recording themselves to sad music and, of course, always making sure that they have their septum piercing in before doing so. Because is it really a woke freak out if you don't have your septum piercing in? No, it's not. It doesn't even count, pretty much. This is one of the best videos of a Kamala fan meltdown. Try not to laugh.
All right, but you ain't a black gonna be in the office, and his white is gonna be out. We're taking the trash out, loser. All right, we're in power now.
Have a nice day.
You have a wonderful day on the 5th, okay? You're gonna lose.
Okay.
And your leader,
Okay.
cult leader.
Bye-bye.
You dumb.
We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
I wasn't expecting this guy's laugh, but it is wholesome.
Why? Do you really hate me that bad?
Gotta go to sleep.
Oh, man. It has been a very interesting few weeks. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!